Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So the obvious way is just to simply go to Play Store, go to search, and here type in WhatsApp. And simply click WhatsApp Messenger and hit install. However, if this for some reason doesn't work for you, or you don't have a Google Play Store or whatever, you can always just go to web. Yeah, sure, whatever. And then we can simply input WhatsApp Android. And I believe download, and that should be enough. And we should find official site of WhatsApp. We can whatever. As you can see here, we can download our WhatsApp directly. If we want to download it, no, the download didn't start. Oh, it did. So we now simply open the file, we hit install, and the app is installed. Of course, I would advise you to just simply use Google Play Store instead, but as you can see, our WhatsApp is now enabled and we are ready to set it up. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.